So I picked up this little trailer on Amazon. I think it was around 500 bucks. The trailer on Amazon has really good reviews as well. It has 4.4 out of 5 with 1,180 reviews. And after watching quite a few YouTube videos on this, I decided to go with this one. The brand of the trailer is a Impact Implements XT 1500. 1,500 pounds load capacity, and apparently designed in the USA. I have seen this trailer on other websites, also Temu. They look exactly the same, so I'm not sure who's copying who. I will post a link in the description also for the trailer hitch that I got. It seems pretty solid for the ATV. I'm happy with that. The trailer seemed pretty good deal. I watched a couple YouTube videos. It seemed pretty solid. Now that having built it, I'm pretty happy with the overall quality of the trailer, and it was pretty easy to build. So far I can only recommend it. I will make another video for the usage on my property up north, and will show you guys how well it performs. In regards to the building part, there was a couple issues with it, mostly alignment issues. So if you build it, just make sure that you don't tighten all the nuts right away like I did. Don't make that mistake. I had to loosen quite a few bolts to just realign things. But overall it worked out pretty well. For the build time of the trailer, it took me about 1 hour 30 minutes. That being said, I have all my good tools up north, and really had some issues with the little tools that I had. I had a little ratchet kit, the cheapest you can get. So I assume if you have the proper tools, you can probably shave some time off it. Do you really need 2 people to assemble it? Not really. Will be helpful, possibly. It's not that heavy, but it's not light either. As the video goes, I will stop the time lapse and post some little videos and clips in there where I had some issues and how I resolved them. I hope that video will help you guys out and make a decision on this in case you guys are considering buying one as well. I'm very happy with it so far, and I will report back later once I had some use out of it. I'm going up north this Saturday, and I will post another video on how that went. The only issues I had right now is aligning this a little bit, and I changed it. Normally they go in this way, but I put them this way because another guy that I was watching a YouTube video, he said the bolts were sticking out and scraping his stuff that he was transporting, and it shouldn't really make a difference. And another issue on the other side, just like way worse. If you see how the holes are not lining up here, on this side doesn't look so bad, but look at the offset here. Gotta squeeze that a little bit in place. We'll see how it goes. So to have these bolts align with the previous step, I had to loosen this one and this one on those two, and then just realign. So just my tip, don't tighten everything crazy. It took me quite a while to get this one back off. Don't make that same mistake.